So it's unusual for me to start a video on my phone, but today we, as in Brie and I, are going out and about to try three TikTok rated recipes, restaurants. So used to cooking in the kitchen. We're gonna try the restaurants because usually those TikTok rated videos are paid for like a large amount of time, so we're going in really unbiased. We have chosen 3 different ones in Victoria, Karami, which is in Werribee, Rosanna's, which is in Werribee because we're both like almost both those very well rated places, and the Exchange in Port Melbourne, so the other side of the bay. So keeping it close. I was driving hours and hours, so that's fine. I wanted to do this because I'm so sick of seeing videos where it's like, this is amazing, and I'm like, I'm going in and actually going to review this place. And not harsh, I'm not gonna be like, this is disgusting, or this is like, bleh. I'm gonna give you like a review. Like most of these places are probably gonna be fantastic, but there's gonna be those few that I might have like a hit and a miss. So we'll see. I'll drop down some of the videos for each of those ones during the actual taste test, and we'll see how it goes. This is gonna be an interesting thing. It's not all gonna be filmed the same day because that's a lot of food and a lot of money. But let's go traveling. Let's go for a trip. So the Exchange Hotel is the first restaurant we're going to. I read quite a lot of reviews online about it that it's actually quite good. I've also checked all the TikToks I can actually find. The first 2 and the main 2 that really kind of bring it to my attention is Geordie Cooks Eats and Come Again. I'm trying my best not to play the videos because copyright problems, and that's fine. If you see them, please go and check them out. They are quite good content creators. So the Exchange Hotel is actually an old building with a pub inside of it as well as a restaurant. We didn't realize that the restaurant was all the way through the pub. We thought it was like at the start. So it took us a little bit of time to like realize. Their menu is quite expansive and it's really, really pretty. It was incredibly loud. They did have live music playing and their food was a little bit confusing. So their focaccia pizza was on a piece of, like as I'm eating now, a piece of bread with a bit of cheese on it and garlic on it, and our meals were pretty alright. Brie had the prawn ragu and I had the half a chicken on some sort of tomato sauce. We just got back from the first restaurant we're trying. This is hilarious. And what was it called? The Exchange. And the audio's gonna be really bad because I'm doing it on my phone and we're doing this as quick as possible. Brie is dying now. It wasn't as good as like all the TikTok people talk about, but it has a really good vibe. And like, it's good food as long as you go for like the normal pub stuff, I guess. I would probably go back again for like a parma and a pot and alcohol. But I don't think I'll order the what are you doing? I don't think I would order the Moroccan chicken again and the prawn thing that Brie had with people around us.
Well, it was a crab prawn rigatoni. The rigatoni was penne. And there was no crab. There was a couple of prawns, and the tomato-based sauce was good, but it wasn't what it said it was.
Yeah, like it's good. It's like we took it home with us. We'll show you our mission. What's in the box?
Not what we ordered.
I mean, I'm sorry I'm gonna apologize profusely because the audio is gonna be jacked in this. To the next restaurant. I mean, it won't be on the same day. This is too expensive to do on the same day. So when we went to Rosanna's, I'm not going to put any TikToks here just because copyright, and I was thinking about it, I'm like, this one, it's a little harder to find some TikToks about it. It was also really hard to find the way in. So we parked near it, and we went up and then down the elevator. So we went up, I think we went down the elevator here, and then we went up an elevator after when we had to go outside. So if you park near Rosanna's, it will require you to go down the stairs, outside, and back in and up the elevator to get to the restaurant. Just forewarning. It is really cute once you get into it, but it's as you can see, I was dancing and having a little bit of fun with it. It is a little bit of a pain to get to when you don't know where you're going. When we walked in here, I realized how underdressed I was for this place. Brie was absolutely stunning in her dress, while I'm just like a bit plain Jane. If I had a bit of vertigo, I'd feel a bit sick. Don't jump! Don't do it! I feel a little bit underdressed for this place. That's fine. A little underdressed. It's leather. Ooh, that's a perfect colour as well. Touch it. How many drinks do they have? Wow. Jesus. Okay. So if you're alcoholic, perfect. Tequila. So I got myself a Stone and Wood, of course, but Brie got herself a rose latte.
It looks like a butt.
I kind of want to put my finger in the butt.
So fluffy.
Okay. But does it actually taste like rose?
Smells like coffee.
Maybe it's just the name of the thing.
Oh my god.
What?
I'm in love.
Can I try it?
It was instant.
It's like cherry Turkish delight.
Yeah. To me, it's like the rose petals in that.
Can't drink too much of it because it's caffeinated.
I need to find where they get this rose stuff.
The syrup. That's really good. Damn it, I want it.
More.
Damn. Damn.
Yeah.
Damn.
10.
I really want to eat her food, but chips will do till then. Now this looks fancy and very, very tasty. Ooh la la. I just want to put my finger on it, just like to ruin it. You can't take me anywhere nice. So that was really good, and we're walking away from it now because we're going to Karami around the corner. But actually, Rosanna's top tier. Now, of course, we had to try Karami desserts. Cheesecake is one of my favorite things. It is rated the best cheesecake in Melbourne. So, you know, we had to make the effort to go down there at the same time. I could not wait for this. Look at this. I love cheesecake, and this one is so highly rated, I just couldn't help myself. There is a lot of that. You can see what I'm pointing at. I get annoyed by that. Because I'm like, just eat the whole thing. But each to their own. So the next place is Karami. It is packed, so the filming is going to be awkward. I'm going to try and buy a piece and maybe eat it so we're safer and less people. Gotta love lions. Okay, so takeaway didn't happen. We're in now, apparently. It's massive. Holy crap. Look at lettuce.
I mean, if you need to take away
Ooh. I'm gonna hate myself, but this is how they do all their videos. I hate it already. We have also ordered the lucamadas. It's so loud in here. I think we're gonna have a little bit of trouble eating them because we can't help ourselves. Incoming.
Thanks, guys.
Perfect.
Sorry about that. All good. Enjoy.
Thank you. Jesus. Wait for it. So they're not like lucamadas. Lucamadas are more fluff. Design them, these are more fuller. Maybe it's just how they do them. But good. I do never.
I just died. This is the ghost of Reed. Probably why I'm so pale, but that was amazing. The wrap yellow. On point. 10-10. We'll eat again.
10-10? Both 10-10? 10-10. 10-10. Holy shit. Holy. That's a lot of cake. I sort of like slam my hand on all of them. I don't want to eat them. I kind of just want to like slap.
You were just made of chaos.
But like, if you just imagine walking past all of them going,
We're made of chaos.
but it would be funny. I'm gonna finish the video in the elevator after Karami. Karami, great. What's the other one called? Rosanna's great, 10 out of 10. Where's the other one? Not the Port Melbourne something.
Oh gosh.
Oh my god, it's been like a week. It's alright. It's alright. Service not great. It was alright. But like, I actually quite enjoyed this. People hype up places so easily these days because hype, yay. They're good, alright. Oh, I'm so full though. Maybe I shouldn't have done the last two in a row. That's A-okay. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe and all that jazz. And also, if you want to see more of me trying places and actually giving an honest review, go for your life. Just trust me, I guess. Oop, gotta get in the car. Bye. Okay, so we are leaving. I know I just finished the video. We are leaving, and every movement hurts. We are so full. We are so full. Oh, Jesus Christ, that's deep.
Sugar. We're
Full-
so full of sugar.
I feel like I'm gonna jump out of my boots. Oh, Jesus, how do we get out of here?
This way.
Ah! Okay, bye guys. Bye. Oh, Jesus Christ. Sharp got us. Oh my God.
I think honest.
No, not got us.